This is three natural remedies will help you to cure your cold in one day. Colds and flu are among the most common health issues of the respiratory tract, affecting a great number of people, mostly in the spring and autumn. If you feel some symptoms, it is very important to act immediately so you can prevent the development of some serious diseases, including influenza, bronchitis, and the inflammatory process in the body. For that purpose, we present you three simple but very effective remedies which will help you to treat the initial symptoms of colds and flus. So you will be able to prevent the development of the disease. 1. The beverage is considered as a natural replacement of the popular Fairfax. It has some effects or even better, and the best thing is that you can prepare it at your own home. Needed ingredient 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 2 juice of lemon, 3 1 gram of vitamin C, 4 1 to 5 liter water, and 5 honey optional. Direction: boil the water and let it cool to a room temperature, then add all the ingredients and stir well. Consume this remedy within an hour and a half. You can repeat the procedure if needed. 2. This remedy is also an effective way to treat your symptoms. Needed ingredient 1 100 ml red wine, 2 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 3 1 teaspoon honey. Direction: you should knead the red wine and add the black pepper and honey in it. Stir well and consume this remedy while it is not still, not before going to bed. 3. And we can say that it is a 100% effective. The most popular remedy for cold and flu were beer with honey. Even though this beverage does not have a pleasant taste, it is extremely effective. Needed ingredient 0 to 5 liter beer, 2 teaspoons of honey, a pinch of cinnamon, and ground cloves. Direction: pour the beers into a saucepan and place it on the heat in order to warm up the beer. This remove it from heat. Add the other ingredient and stir well. Consume this remedy in a small sip before going to bed. As we said before, maybe you will not like the taste of this drink, but keep in mind that it provides significant effects in treating colds, flu, and cough. This beverage has anti-inflammatory properties which can relieve a cough. Moreover, it can induce sweating, which will eliminate the cold from the body. The sweating is also known and recognized method for treating the initial symptoms of colds and flu, which will boost the natural defense mechanism of the body to fight the viruses. All these three remedies will help you to fight naturally the initial symptoms of colds and flu in one day.